Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Think Big Digital. So in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change themes in Notion, and that's so easy. So open the Notion app, and from here go to the setting option, and here you can see this appearance option, and here you'll find out this options light, dark and use system settings. Basically, use system settings is called auto system, and this option will automatically adjust the theme based on your device system settings, or you can manually select light or dark, one of them, whatever you just prefer. So that's it, you are done. As you can see, and you can always change the theme, and that's it, you are done. So that's all for today's video. Hope this video find you helpful. Let me know in the comment sections if you have any confusion and keep in touch with us.